Hi, in this video we are going to see how to type very fast in Word document. So in order to do that, you just go to Google Doc and then go to this docs.google.com and then you sign in with your account and then you just open a new blank document. Assume you have a note where you have written a lot of notes which you have to convert to Word document, or you have a book for your assignment, you have to type that in your Word document. So how do you do it? Because instead of typing it, what you can do is you can tell orally to the audio so that the mic can hear and then it can type automatically. So how do we achieve that? You just press Cltr+Shift+S. If you are doing for the first time, then it will ask for the allowing the microphone option. So once you allow, you will be able to see the audio symbol in the left side, or it might appear somewhere in the screen. If you wanted to stop it, then you can click the audio icon and you can stop it. Now whatever I talked, it is kind of appearing in the Word document. Similarly, you can talk whatever it is there in your book so that it will appear in your Word document, so that you no need to type the text manually through keyboard. Maybe if there is any typo error, then you can easily correct it. This way, whatever it is there in your notes or books, you can type it easily through audio option. Thank you for watching. Once it's done, if you wanted to stop the audio, you can click the audio button. So now I just click the audio button. So what has happened is it stopped the typing the text. So this way you can very fast you can type your text, and if there are any correction you need to do, that you can correct it very easily. And once it's done, if you wanted to save the document, you just save the document. So I'll just give my first document and it is there in your Google Drive. So if you wanted to download, or you wanted to share it, or you wanted to make a copy or download it, you can do it easily in a expected format. Thank you. Hi, thank you for watching this video so far. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and also subscribe to this Tech Lightning channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.